Hello everybody. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let us see how to make a refreshing mango lassi. I'm sure your kids too will love this. Friends, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. To make this mango lassi, we have taken one ripe mango. This is about 200 grams. We need fully ripe sweet mango for this. So now let us begin by chopping off this edge. And then with a peeler we'll peel off the skin of the mango. The mango is peeled now, and now let us chop. Just chop roughly and cut into small pieces. So we've got about half cup chopped mangoes. We have taken half cup curd or dahi. Dahi should be thick. We need sugar. We have taken about 1/4 cup sugar or shakkar. Then we have taken half cup ice cubes. We have added the mangoes to a mixer jar. Now we are adding the thick curds, the sugar. You can adjust sugar as per your taste, ice cube. Now we are going to blend this to a smooth paste without adding any water. This will make a nice creamy lassi. So don't add water. See how our lassi looks. This is the texture. Now let us serve this awesome mango lassi. Have it fresh. It tastes very good when you make it and have it immediately. Give this to your kids in summer. They'll just be very, very happy. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon with another